Welcome back. Well, it looks like this January we're going to have a bona fide winter pattern that's going to be below normal temperatures and above normal chances for wintry precipitation, and it's all coming in about a week from today. So let's take a look at the big picture. First off, we know we're going to have this big Arctic outbreak that's coming from the polar regions through Canada, then working its way into the U.S., and then we get a taste of it as we head into early next week, and it may stick around for several days. The coldest air of the season and a cold period of sub-freezing temperatures that may last for 2 to 3 days. So prepare your pipes for that. It's going to be a pipe buster in some spots, and then on top of that, maybe a potential southern winter storm for mid next week. We're thinking Tuesday, but a lot can change when we're talking about a storm system that is out here between Russia and Alaska. It's got to traverse the Pacific and then work its way into the U.S., but the model's starting to come in more agreement that there's going to be some wintry precip right around and shortly after we get the cold air next week. In the near term, though, we have a little bit of a disturbance developing in the Gulf of Mexico. That's producing light rain shower activity from the upper Texas coast out into the Gulf of Mexico and here locally in Acadiana. Most of this is not reaching the ground, but where you see the red right there, oh, that's reaching the ocean there. And where we see yellow, we have some rain probably reaching the ground here, but there's some evaporative cooling going on. But nonetheless, some light sprinkles in the area overnight tonight. During the day tomorrow, rain chances in the 40% range for tomorrow afternoon. We see mostly cloudy skies. We see some of that green painted in the area. We're not looking at much in the way of rainfall, and your best rain chances during the day tomorrow will be across the coastal parishes. Then we get a bit of a break going into Thursday. High pressure building in, sunshine, temperatures in the lower 60s, and as we head toward Friday, it gets even milder as we get on the flip side of that high pressure system. We start getting a southerly flow out of the Gulf of Mexico, and we should be heading into the upper 60s on Friday and probably near 70 Saturday prior to a front that'll be producing showers. That pushes on through. Maybe a rumble of thunder come Friday night, Saturday morning, but we're not looking at any kind of severe weather for sure. And then breezy, much colder. Temperatures dropping into the 40s, heading for the 30s going into Monday night, and then stay in the low to mid 30s on Monday. Overcast skies. It's going to look like snow out there, and then here comes that weather system, and here's the Euro model, which is still on for a wintry mix. Mostly it looks like it's going to be freezing rain and or sleet. Better chances of snow to the north, but at the onset may start out as snow, and then there's going to be this warm pocket of air just above the surface that will allow that snow to melt and then maybe refreeze in the form of sleet before it hits the ground, or the rain hits the ground and freezes on contact. Then we're looking at an accumulating event, and that's what we're concerned with as we get to that Tuesday time frame. But a lot can change. Here's the snowfall forecast. Could be a significant snow, 6 inches or better, maybe Cenla northward. Well, this is going to change, though. And then here's the latest GFS model. Not as high on a big snow, but there could be some frozen precipitation locally, and probably more likely it's going to be sleet and freezing rain, which could accumulate and could be crippling. We'll see how these model runs look in the future. Don't anchor on tonight's forecast. We'll just watch the trends as the forecast will likely change. Upper 40s overnight tonight will go into the mid 50s to upper 50s for tomorrow afternoon. Into the 10-day forecast, a lot going on here with some rain tomorrow, sunny skies Thursday, clouding up Friday, 80% Friday night, ending early Saturday, windy, colder Sunday, and then an extended period of cold temperatures, freezes at night, and we could see a 36 to 72-hour period where we see sub-freezing temperatures. And then on top of that, if we get winter precipitation that accumulates Tuesday, it will stick around through Wednesday, maybe into Thursday as well. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.